previously on Wandering Wagners.
We have arrived at Maumee Bay State Park, which is probably our most local to us state park.
Do you guys prefer hiking or running by yourself, or do you like it more when you see a bunch of people out there? The time has come once again to clean out the hot tub. It desperately needs it. So the other day I put in some of this to help clean out the lines, and it's been in there circulating pretty much for the last day. And this is what it looks like. It doesn't look, I mean, it looks cloudy, but that's because it has the cleaner in there. I really want to get those lines nice and cleaned up. Next step is to drain the hot tub, and then I'm going to scrub the hot tub, which it, again, desperately needs. I haven't been in the hot tub in several weeks. So it's been a while, and I've been working out a lot, and I've desperately missed it. I've missed it so much, and my muscles miss it. So I'm looking forward to actually scrubbing this down, kind of, but not really. So hopefully you guys enjoy the scrub down. After the last maintenance that we did, we haven't had anything else come up. So that is the bonus for this. There's nothing else that needs to be fixed at this time. Hopefully it stays that way. So let's get to draining this hot tub. We have our pump. We got the hose kind of strewn out the door. So I just need to put the hose outside. Now we wait for quite some time for it to drain out. Holly's here to help. She's got the emotional support down pat and got me an emotional support drink to help me clean once this is drained down. Got it all drained down now, and I've got the hot water hooked up into my hose so that I can scrub it down and rinse it out as I go, and then re-empty the water that'll form in the bottom here. Hopefully then refill it and then just turn it on and wait for it to get hot so I can enjoy it. This is always the hardest part, getting in, because it's all slippery. I don't want to slip. None of that in my life. I am 40 now. Might cause an old baby. I did spray it down already with this. Clean and perfect. We like that, it works pretty good. So I'm just going to wet up my sponge. Just a regular sponge. Water is not warm yet. Oh, it is cold. Hot tub is finally scrubbed clean. Took the longest to get the water out from there, our little pump. Once it's
too shallow down there. It doesn't suck it out anymore. So I have to cup it out and everything, and it takes a while.
But I was able to do it. I'm finally done. I feel like I've had a workout already, even though I haven't worked out yet today. I do plan on doing that though, FYI. I'm going to refill it, and that's gonna take forever, but I've got time, so I'm gonna refill it. I've rinsed out the filter. I have new, the frog pod things, and I've got some other chemical stuff to get her going, ready to go. Holly is down here just licking my legs because they're all wet from the water that I was spraying in the hot tub. She definitely is a licker, that's for sure. She is obsessed, especially after you work out and you're all salty and sweaty. She loves that. It's cute, but it's also kind of annoying. But she's adorable. She's doing great.
I can't leave you alone, can I? No. There's paper towel roll. Girl, you crazy. So I just found my own toys. Even though you stole toys from the race. Crazy girl. And it begins. Let's see, it's 11 o'clock right now in the morning. Let's see how long it takes. It's gonna be probably like at least an hour. At least an hour. What's your guess? Leave it in the comments.
While this is refilling, I would like to give an update about the hot tub. It has been doing well since our last time. It seemed like it was just failure. But after we got all of that stuff replaced so far, and I don't want to jinx it, I need to find some wood around here to knock on, but it's been good and there's been no issues other than it's been needing to be cleaned. So we did turn it off for a couple of weeks before I could get to it to actually clean it. Since we were out of town, we just turned it off. But now I really miss it. The weather is starting to change, starting to get a little cooler out. So we know it's gonna be hot tub weather a lot more often now. So I want to give it a fresh clean, fresh water. That way after our workouts and everything, we can use it. Mike likes to use it when he wakes up sometimes. I like to use it before bed. There's no wrong time to hot tub. Do you guys have a favorite time to hot tub? Let us know in the comments.
Guess my timing was about right because it's 12:06 and it is not quite full, but it is really close to getting there. I need a couple more inches of water, but I put in our little frog floater, run the pumps and purge the air. I'm also going to be adding in the jump start from Frog to help get it ready to go. It is currently 69 degrees in there. Mike would die if I made him get in there. But it is just about to the fill line. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the hose and just let the chemicals keep going with the jets to get it all ready to go. Put the lid back on and we're gonna enjoy it later.
Hot tub is ready for some more action, and I am ready for it as well. To prepare for this, I worked out first, then I took a shower, which is why my hair is wet and all up in this bun thing. I really want to get in the hot tub, and I got all clean and fresh just for this, so I'm very excited.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it the lazy way and only flip it halfway because it's just gonna be me. So I'm not gonna take the time and flip the whole thing off and then put it back on. So, but I do have me a beverage and I am ready. Let's do it.
Usually we do enjoy getting into it together, but Mike is not here. As you can see, a big old blank space right there where he normally parks. So it's just me today, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next week we will be doing something more RV related, so hopefully you'll enjoy that. We also will be having an update, it might not be next week, but maybe the following week, about the dogs. Some good, some not so good. So stay tuned for that.
And because you guys know I only wear this because it's on video, bye-bye to that so I can really enjoy it.
Next time on Wandering Wagners.
Today we are in Maumee, Ohio for a free outdoor RV show. There's a headboard. I do like the side windows for air flow in the mornings and whatnot.
It's a good thing that headboard's padded. I don't want to give you a concussion.
Shoot.
Watch a hottie go potty.
Yeah, see? Like, oh yeah.
Door's closing.